Imis Paodam yang tabiba kwai punamakpu taram nokchabaga loinana khurumjari ngasigi maroiba pauda State Anniversary of Rajri Bagachandragi Thauram Yaurugadaba Troop Deputy Speaker K. Robindrana lamthakre Inspire and Get Inspire haiba thimda numit nini sathagadaba Confluence Education Minister T.H. Radishyamna haudokre loinana A hurdle in the development of our society haiba hiramda wausoba ma pangthokre Mapungoiba Paumu Pizari Rajri Bagachandra Cultural Foundation Sinduna Lakliba Tang Mapaldagi Taranithoi Fauba Mathura District UP Gi Radha Kunda the Pangthokadaba State Anniversary of Rajri Bagachandra Gi Thauram Yaurunaba Manipur Gi Ningthau Leisemba Sanazawa Yauna Cultural Foundation Gi Troop Ama Ngasi Mathura Gi Damakta Khongsan Khrei Troop adubu Manipur Legislative Assembly Gi Deputy Speaker K. Robindrana Palace Compound Gi Achamba Thauram Ama Pangtholaba Matungda Lamthaki Thauram aduda Deputy Speaker K. Robindrana Athoiba Mitung Leisemba Sanazawbana Thauram Mapu Amadi Social Worker Thangjam Arunna Akhanaba Mitung Oiki Thauramgi Athoiba Mitung Warol Piraduna Deputy Speaker K. Robindrana Hai UP Gi Mathura District Asida Maharaj Bagachandra Made Gambir Singhna Lairingaida Makoina Lamamasung Mandir Saduna Thanamliba Asiki Matangda Manipur Government Amadi UP Government Anigi Marakta Wari Sanakiba Laikre Athubada Maharashna Thanamliba Mafam Aikoigi Oinaba Hotnasi Haibaga Loinana Ngasigi Kongchata Yaukiba Singhna Karigumba Kudong Chadaba Thengnarabadi Makoida Pangba Yaba Mateng Pangani Haiki State asigi ching amasung tamda lairiba miyamda afaba ising pinaba sarkar asina hotnari haina Public Health Engineering Minister L. Dikona Fongdokre ngasi Kakching District ki Hangunda Water Supply Scheme ama sangabagi thauramda athoiba mitunglen oina saruk yaraduna minister na wafamasi Fongdokibani Minister na makha taraduna ising haibasi aikoi mioibana hingbada khwaidagi maruoiba changdraba yadraba polam amani ising yaudana aikoi mioibada natana malemda lairiba thawai panba jiba amata hingba ngamde state asida lairiba BJP gi nongthombam biren singana luchingba sarkar asina miyamgi yaifana ba paikhatuna lakliba chawkhat thaurangi project amasung scheme singi manungda miyamda afaba ising piba haibase ahanba khongthang amani miyamda afaba lambi thong mai ising pinaba lepalaitana hotnari haujik sarkar asina paikhatliba scheme sing mai pakna thabakta onthoktuna lakpada natana miyamgi matingsu chawna phangba ngamli miyamna su sarkarna paikhalakpa chawkhat thaurangi thabak singda tawanningba kaya lairabasu suggestion pibiyu haiki Haujik Manipur University da BC gi issue asina sanglaba matam ase mahiroi singna lairik laisu tamba fangdana academic atmosphere da chawna kaiba ama thogalliba ase aikoi punamakna saruk yaminaduna athuba matamgi manungda loisinminase honaminase state asida ban blockade toina sathabana chawkhat tharangi thabak singda ngaihak leitana ayet apan piri Ban blockade leitaba lamdamama ohenna punamakna honaminasi aduga state asi mahausa lairembina thambiramba fajakraba lamdam amani maramaduna ching amasung tamda kundaminariba aikoi punamakna ing tappa santi leiba lamdamama ohenduna chawkhat lambida punna khong thangjinminasi haiki Thoromatuda wabugai kendragi MLA MD Fazur Rahim Kakching District Adakshya PH Jiten Singha aduga PICD gi Secretary Nidhi Karoswale IAS na chingbana saryaki Inspire and Get Inspire haiba teamda Education is Department ki lamjing mairana khosam naraga sinduna numinini sathagadaba Confluence 2018 ngasidagi Education Minister T.H. Radishyamna athoiba mitung oiduna haudokre Palace Compound leiba City Convention da pangthokiba thoram aduda RIMS ki Retired Professor Gynecology Department ki C.H. Manglem Imphal Free Press ki Chief Editor Pradeep Fanjobam Education is Department ki official sing Oja amadi mahiroi-singna saruk yaki. Thorom aduda wa ngangladuna Education Minister T.H. Radishyamna hai afaba fajaraba wakal khanbada punsibu mai pahannabagi inspiration pi mioibana mahakna pamjaba lam ama khanjaduna mahaki pandam phangnanaba honabada yai adubu maru oiribadi hairiba lam adu ningthina paikhatpani.
Education da apoi life ta apoi tamu is not only knowledge. Why apoi every function putting light to is light is knowledge hai. Light ne kai dawai mamma kan mangan bi. Likewise, when you have knowledge, anything, any field, anywhere problem laga knowledge we are kati then problem is solved to man. Knowledge katani yarak re hoiti. You have to have the skill also. Knowledge plus skill plus deeper understanding of the problem. Om sipola kanda you can move towards mayam hega hainer success and hainer poto. Aro sakere knowledge ga skill ga deeper understandings ga om siyaw.
The Educational Guide Center Thawal Moijing Sinduna a hurdle in the development of our society haiba hiramda numitnini sathagadaba workshop ama Moijing Community Hall da haudokre. Thoromaduda Juriba Mesigi MLA MD Asabuddin Manipur State Minority Commission gi Chairperson Dr. Said Burhanuddin aduga MSMC gi member Dr. MS Ningomba amadi ECG Moijing gi President MD Khairudin Saha MM na athoiba mitung singoina saruk yaki. Thauramgi sarwama oina field visit and a public hearing amadi anti-drugs haiba hiramda akang ai singna wafam kaya phongdokpaga loinana interaction program su pangthoki. MLA Asabuddin na phongdorakhibada minority furubase mausagi matamdagi khara makhai fagatlabasu atai singa yengnarubada adumak sothaduna lairi mase Mankatna bahona bada education yaudana oithokpa yaroi maramasina minority sing education da henba midyeng thamsi maruina nupi singbu education mangal ningthina fanghanna ba hona minasi haina appeal tawki. District Administration Thawal Nasindona Right to Information Week Celebration 2018 haibasigi matangda district level seminar amangase Counting Hall DC Office Complex Thawalda DC Thawal Haubam Rosita Devina Thoiba Meeting Oiduna Haudokre. Thoromatuda Advocate Dr. C.H. Narendra State Chief Information Commissioner Manipur Information Commission T.H. Ibobi National Campaign for People's Right to Information NCPRI Co-Convener Wahengbam Joy Kumar Amadi Manipur Information Commission gi Deputy Register Judicial 1 S Inauna Resource Person Singh Oibagaloinana ADM Thawal L Radhakanta District Level Officer Singh Su Saruyaki. District Election Office DC Thawal Nasindona District SVEEP Program gi Makada Special Summary Revision of Photo Electoral Rules 2019 ga Mari Leinana Poster Campaign Thawal Amadi Kakching District da Thawal Kaithilda DC Thawal H Rositana Haudokre Thoromaduda ADM Thawal L Radhakanta SP Thawal S Gautam DDO Thawal NG Benita Yauna District Administration Thawal Gimioi Kaya Saruyaki Chalibatha Siki Kuntramathoi gi Manungda Electoral Roll da Yaudriba Mioi Sing Yauna Bahona Se Amadi Semdokadaba Soyangam Kuding Semdok House Amadi Lakadaba Mikhal Singh da Isa Isana Pamba Miot Khanbada saruk yasi haina pandamda campaign asi pangthokpani haina ADM Radhakantana phongdoraki. Integrated Mega Tourist Circuit Management Committee IMT CMC na sinduna one-day social service camp among ase Khongjong War Memorial Complex da pangthokre. IMT CMC gi Publicity and Information Secretary S Jayadevana Phongdorakpada Committee asina leptana chatharakpa camp ki saru ama oina ngasi chathariba social service camp asina ahumlak subani haiki. Ngasi More Ward number 7 da leba More Hospital gi meeting hall da Manipur Heart Foundation amadi Sky Hospital anina sindona nomagi oiba free eco screening camp ama pangthokre. Camp aduda Dr. Ahumna patient sing da screening tauki camp aduda More da leiriba angang yauna mioi kaya na screening tauba laknaki. Camp asiga mari leinana Sky Hospital gi OSD to Chairman L Thanil na media da phongdorakpada ngasi More Hospital da pangthokliba free eco screening asi National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Diseases and Stroke NPCDCAs amasung Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram RBSK gi makhada Manipur Heart Foundation Sky Hospital na Manipur gi manung hanjanba mafam singda leiba praja singda heart ki leina naba yaubra haiduna screening taunaba sinba program amani masi Manipur gi chingi district singda mathang chathaduna pangthokadaba program amani haina phongdokhi Kakching district ki manung chana leiba Koraukokpi Bijoypur hairaga sukhangnaba mafam asidagi Leisangthem Loken Meitei amadi masanupa Leisangthem nganba Meitei mamang tha September gi tang 12 da thika gi thabak subada sat hainaba matchinna mapa macha animak namsanbadagi aruba phibamda mapa macha animak Rajmedi city da layengbagi imung manungda agenda Kakching WhatsApp group na selgi tengbang sing khusinakre Agenda Kakching member sing amasong miyamnasu awawa taraba imung asigidamakta group ki member sing amadi pukchel chauraba mioi singna tengbanglakpa senpam apunba lupa lising kuntраgatare chamani Chiru Union Manipur gi President Neichungna haikre sagol sen numita Waithau Chiruda luhongbagi chak chabada oksa thongba charubada food poisoning oibadagi mioi chani rom over 5 tauduna langna kiba adu laibak thibani wafam asing asi nyongthil press club ta paumi singa unabada mahana phongdor khibani mahana makha taraduna Manipur gi ching tam pumbada ok loinaraga yonanabagi thabak tauba mioi kaya lay aduga ok singda lainatina changdanaba amadi yamna thuna chawnaba hidak kanna pijaba tawi haiba khangi masida ok loiba amadi yoliba singna hidak kapkraba matungda ok adu tha ama natraga chewal ama chaba yade haibasi khangba mathau tai paisa phangnanabani haiduna hidak kapada hekta yonduna mioi kaya awaba piba thoningte masigi matangda concern authority na thigat piduna ok loiba amadi yoliba singda awareness piduna khangan pham thoi ok charubadagi tongan ba hospital da laikan nariba singbu kendrigi MLA L Rakeshwar na chatuna yengsenbaga loinana selgi angam bateng bang panglambagi damakta union nasina thagatpa phongdokladuna union nasina su laikan nariba singda mateng pangkhre hairi BJP Thawal Mandal gi oina chahi ki oiba booth level committee gi mifam ngasi Thawal Bazar da leiba Leisangthem mandapta BJP Manipur Pradesh ki State Secretary General Organization P Premananda Meiteina saruk yaduna pangthokre Thoramadu da BJP Manipur Pradesh ki State Executive Member L Basanta BJP Thawal District ki President L Deben Mandal gi President KH Arun Kumar State Secretary Tej Kumar amadi BJP District ki Maruiba Thaupuba mioi kya su saruyaki thorongi maruiba sarwama oina mandalasina party asigi damakta paikhat khiba thabak kya amadi naksilaglaba lok sabha mikhal asida BJP na chauba mai pakpa ma oina ba mandalasina paikhat kadaba thabak thorom sing khanaki State Executive L Basantana ngase Manipur gi CM N Biren Luchingba BJP gi sarkar asina anauba awonba Manipur ama puraknaba hotnajariba se mai paknabagi damakta miyamna lakadaba Lok Sabha gi mikhalda BJP gi mirepu sawatsi haina phongdoki JSC against the mob lynching of MD Farooq Khan of Lilong Harebi Mayalikai at Terrorism Lamsang AC on 13 September gi convener Eme Jabir na haikre Mamang thagi September gi tang 16 da miyam gi mobda MD Farooq lekhidabagi JSC na Manipur state asida mob lynching gi thodok amuhanna thoktanaba changselakpa khongjangda Manipur government na support torakpa amadi the Manipur Protection from Mob Lynching Ordinance 2018 cabinet na puthoktuna implement taunaba honariba ase thagatli ngasi Lilong Harebi Mayalikai pangthokiba paugi mifam amada MA Jabir na hai Ordinance asi State Assembly da puthokuna pass tawbiyo hojik fawda MD Farooq misi da chenaba mioi khara fagatlaga atei fadana leiriba singsu athubada fagatpiyo maduga Ordinance asigi matung inna maral leiba sing matik chaba cherak phanganbiyo haiki Ngasi ayuk pung Nipal makhai taba matamda Divisional Forest Officer Jiribam Forest Division Uchathol Jiribam na sinduna Jiribam Model High School da Humfumdoi Suba Wildlife Week Celebration 2018 gi thauramga mari leinana mass rally ama chatkre matung ayuk pung tara taba matamda Humfumdoi Suba Wildlife Week Celebration 2018 gi thauram pangthokre thauram aduda Philip Kamai Principal Jiribam Model High School CH Ibom Cha Singh DFO Jiribam Forest Division Kam District Wildlife Warden Jiribam amadi TH Sanatomba SDPO Jiribamna saruk yaki. Program asi October gitang anida pangthokhi aduga sport painting quiz amadi debating competition singi makong mathang taraba mahiroi singda sumana mathum yenthokhi. Protect wildlife, save forests to get oxygen, stop killing wild animal in danger means we still have time. Wildlife is Mother Nature's greatest treasure amadi fight against wildlife crime haiba play card kaya paiduna Juribam Model High School dagi hauraduna Babupara faubada mass rally adu chakhi. Amaromda Technopole Forest Division na sinduna chatharakpa humphumdoi suba Wildlife Week Celebration 2018 ngasi loisinkhre ngasi Palel High School Palelda pangthokhiba thoramado mahiroi singi rally ama Palel High School dagi Divisional Forest Office Technopole kam District Wildlife Warden Technopole District Dr. Lisangthem Jeselina lamtharaga Palel Kaithel fauduna satkhi. Thoramadu SP Technopole Dr. S. Ibomchat Singna Athoiba Mitung Dr. Lisangthem Jesli Divisional Forest Officer Technopole Kam District Wildlife Warden Technopole District na Thoramapu Salam Manichau Palel High School gi Headmaster Amasung KH Bira Retired DFO na Akhanaba Lengbirakpo oina saruk yakhi Thoronga Mari Leinana Pangthokhiba Khudaki Lai Yekpa Changdamnaba Quiz Amasung Debate Changdamnabagi Makong Mathang Taraba Singda Manasu Yenthokhi. Yangpokpi Lokchau Wildlife Sanctuary Morena Sinduna ngase humphumdoi soba Wildlife Week Celebration ga mari leinana rally ama chatkre celebration asiga mari leinana More Ward number 3 da leiba bedside gi satra oja amadi Yangpokpi Wildlife Sanctuary More gi staff sing yauna punna mioi chamanga na More town manungda rally ama chatkre rally aduda lamlaki sa uchek sing kansi lamlaki sa uchek Singbu Equina Nungsina Tobigadabani Amadi Lamlaki Sao Chek Sing Mangtarak Labadi Mioibana Hingbada Awaba Wedakani Haiba Play Card Kaya Paiduna Reliadu Chatki Reliadu More Town Manungda Chaluraba Matungda Bedside School da Amuk Loisinki Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desamna Hek Saponglak Padagi Ngasi Faubada Education da Ahenba Miding Changduna Tinjang Kaijang Daba Samazama Oinaba Honarakpa education na maru oi haibagi wakhalonda lamdam asigi mahai loisang singda ahenba midyeng changlakpagi sarwama oina Kakching district manungda leiba Wangu Laifam Makha Primary School amadi campus ama khaktada leiminaramba Green Ground Academy kauba school amada yengselubada yamna ngakpa mawongda school chalaiba thengnare haina Desam Kakching District Council gi Associate Secretary General gi Serolamana Fondorokli Cherolisna Makha Taragli Badi Right to Education A Kimakada Free and Compulsory Oigadaba Government School da enroll towa Mahiroi Singdagi Angak Pamong da admission fee amadi monthly fee Kongat Lamle Aduga Tawongasi Sathadanaba Mamang dasu Akanba warning Taukiba Laikrabani Adubo Jolibasahi English Ngani Taragani Palasi dasu Hairiba fee Singasi Loksilamle Aduga Wangu Laifam Makha Primary School da Mingchanba Class 1 dagina 2 gi Mahiroi Amamamdagi Tha Amada Lupa Chani ga Kun Tha Ahum Punsalaga Lupa Chatrok Humpu Aduga Class 3 dagina 4 Fawagi Mahiroi Sing Amamamdagi Lupa Chani ga Nifu Tha Ahum gi Pullaga Mahiroi Amadagi Lupa Chatret ga Kun Lokhalamle admission fee na lupa chamapal dagi na lising ama fawba mahiroi amamamdagi laukre yamna ngaglibadi matau karamna private school amaga government school amaga karamna condition da punna chalai minari bano haibaduni makhatana lanai school amaga government school gi lairiba school asisu lanai mioi singa sina loksin khre haibada lalaroi Wangu Laifam Makha Primary School asida hojik oja ahum lei adubo Lam Lapaki Kudong Saba Lauraga Oza Maut Neklaga Tambaga Loinana Makoina Nomata School Kadana Lay Masigi Matik Saba Kudamde Attendance Register da Sign Taude Asigumba Tabak Sing Kangna Kaksing Jedio Madi DIAI Singna Yengduna Laitokpa City Government School Bu Mutatpada Kaksing Jedio na Yengduna Laire Matau Taudre Takle Atubo Matamda Government School Gi Apunba Mahiroi Nifumathoidagi Laukiba Sanpam Government School asigi Headmistress amadi Green Ground Academy School gi committee na Angang singi mafamda handokadabani amadi Education Department na hiramasida chenaramba kudingmak thabaktagi lauthokadabani loinana school asida thadarakiba khudongchaba khudingmak ki sanpam sing niyam chumna sizinadabra haibadu yengsenbiyo haina Desam Kakching District Council gi maikaidagi appeal tawrakli Kakching Baby Class School gi Taramari Suba Annual Literary cum Cultural Meet 2018 ngasi YM High School Kakching da leiba Kakching Central Public Hall da pangthokre. Thoromatu da Kakching Municipal Council gi Chairperson Naurem Sanjit Kumar na Chief Guest, Kakching Municipal Council gi Ward Number Nipal gi Councillor Moirangthem Inakunbi Devina President amadi Kakching Baby Class School gi Principal and Purnima na Guest of Honor oina daista phamki. Thoromatu da school asigi pikliba angang singna makal makha kaya gi program kya utki. Congress na sakti painanaba haiduna miyambu nakpak tahanduna bot fangnaba hote haina Prime Minister Narendra Modi na kanna sidakre. Wafam asi Rajasthan gi Asmir da pangthokpa meeting amada wa ngangbada PM Modi na haikibani. Congress bu amuhanna sakti phangandana basu mahakna miyamda haiki. Congress na vote bank politics tawduna budget kaithoi maduna maram moiraduna punna chawkhatpa ngamde hainasu PM Modi na hapanki. Chai asigi loisalakpada Mikhal pangtogadoriba Rajasthan da Chief Minister Basundara Raje gi state wide political yatra gi thoram loisalakpada saruk yariba PM Modi na wafam sing asi phongdokkibani. Chai ani gi mamangda line of control gi paringda lanmina surgical strike chathabada Congress gi luchingba singna wahang hangkiba adu lanmibu ikaiba pibani haiki December 3 ta Rajasthan Assembly Mikhal pangtogadoribani. Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley na haikre mobile phone amasung bank account singda biometric ID Aadhaar link tawba ase Hanjinan kre yanaba parliament na approve tawkre adumoinama government na anova law ama semle haibagi wafamdi finance minister na pankidre mamang thada Aadhaar gi 12-digit biometric based unique identity number ase constitutional validity oi haina Supreme Court na haikrabani adumoinama telecom operator singna mobile phone user gi oiba verifying identity oina sizinaba yaroi haina Apex Court na Rai Pikibane Aadhaar gi matangda Supreme Court na pikiba wayal adudi Finance Minister Jaitley na thagatpa phongdokki achumba wayal ni haiki mahana makhata na haiki Aadhaar asi citizenship card amanate government ki sel ase tongan mateng oinanaba amadi subsidize pinanabagi damakta Aadhaar card ase sizinanabani section 58 ki makhada private company singna Aadhaar card ase sizinaba ngamde haiki Sanabai Pauda All Manipur Volleyball Association Ambana Sinba 17th State Level Mini Boys Volleyball Tournament 2018-19 ngasi loisin khibaga loinana NYVA Nauremna TRYVC Ukrulbu ahum amada maithiba piduna NYVA Nauremna winner oikre Tournament asi October gi tang amadagi Thawal District ke Kairembikok Mayai Lekai Community Hall da Kairembikok Youth Sporting Union KYSU na yumbu oiduna satharkhibani ngasi tournament asi loisinbagi thorumda Wangjing Tentha SC MLA P Brojen All Manipur Volleyball Association amba President S Nandakumar Thawal College ki Associate Professor Dr. M Damodorna athoiba michung sing oikhi Ifal Eski Yaripok Top Singtha da leiba lamyanba gymna sindona pangthokpa manga suba All Yaripok Open Bodybuilding Championship Mr. Yaripok 2018 lamyanba gym gi mutung Canadina amasong 4th State Level Bodybuilding Championship Mr. Lamyanba 2018 na lamyanba gym gi ke mijen na takre Masi nongthil top singtha pukri achoba Mapal Community Hall da pangthokkiba thoramaduda Forest and Environmental Minister TH Syam Kumar na athoiba mitung lamyanba gym Yaripok ki President Dr. Maibam Somarendra na thoramapu aduga Tulihal Jilla Parishad ke member Srimati Kongbam Inaucha Devi apunba nupi khunai Lamjing Meira Lop Yaripok Imphal East ki President Ima Asem Ibatombi amasong Thabaktagi potharaba Block Development Officer Maibam Ibotombi Kumanna Khanaba Bithung Singh oina saruk yaduna mako mathang taraba singda mana mathumsu yenthokhi Jiribam District ki Babuparada leiba Lamlen Community Hall kam Kangsang Babuparada District Kang Association Jiribam Manipur na sinduna team Nepal na saruk yaduna haukiba mamang tha September gitang kulumdoi English ngani taraga Nepal dagi hauduna chatharagliba First Ilangbam Purnima Devi Memorial Women's Kang Tournament 2018 gi ngasi sanakiba match da SAYC Soroting bina LEC Babupara Timbo Panjil Tarahumdoi Nepal da maithiba pikre Saliba thasigi tang mapal October gi English ngani taraga Nepal da NMK ningthembam gi mayokta sanamahi kasar team anina sanargani. Aroibada maroi pau amonna pijari. State anniversary of Rajri Bagachandra gi Thoram Yaurgadaba Troop Deputy Speaker K Robindrana lamthakre. Inspire and Get Inspire haiba team da numit nini satagadaba Conference Education Minister TH Radishyamna haudokre. Loinana, a hurdle in the development of our society haiba hiramda workshop ama pangthokre. Masigi damaktari Ms. Paodam loisinjare miyam bu mohanna khurumjari.